Friends, in the stock market, the biggest question is, where to buy and where to sell? What if I told you there's a tool that shows you hidden support and resistance levels, automatically? Yes, today we are talking about the Fibonacci Retracement Tool, one of the most powerful tools used worldwide by traders. What is Fibonacci? Fibonacci is not just a trading tool, but actually a mathematical sequence discovered in the 13th century. It starts with 0 and 1, and every next number is the sum of the previous two. Like 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. From this sequence, we get special ratios: 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8% and 78.6%. These are called Fibonacci ratios, and they play a big role in stock market movements. Fibonacci in nature. Now you may ask, why does this work? Because Fibonacci is not limited to mathematics. It is seen everywhere in nature. The spiral of a seashell, the sunflower petals, pine cones, and even galaxies follow the Fibonacci spiral. And since stock markets are also driven by human psychology and natural patterns, these ratios repeat themselves in price charts too. Fibonacci in the stock market. When a stock goes up, it does not move in a straight line. It moves in waves, and during corrections, prices often stop or reverse at Fibonacci levels. That's why traders use these levels as support and resistance zones. Example, Reliance Industries. Let's take an example. Reliance recently made a high of 1,551 rupees and a low of 1,115 rupees. So the price range equals 436 rupees. Now let's calculate retracement levels. 23.6% equals 1,448 rupees. 38.2% equals 1,381 rupees. 50% equals 1,333 rupees. 61.8% equals 1,266 rupees. That means if Reliance corrects, these levels can act as support zones where price may bounce back. How to use on chart. So, how do you use it? Very simple. 1. Open TradingView, Zerodha, or any trading platform. 2. Select the Fibonacci Retracement Tool. 3. In an uptrend, draw from swing low to swing high. 4. In a downtrend, draw from swing high to swing low. And instantly, Fibonacci levels will appear on your chart. So friends, this was the complete guide to Fibonacci Retracement Tool. It's not a magic formula, but it definitely gives you high probability support and resistance levels. Do you want me to show a live chart analysis with Fibonacci tool in the next video? If yes, drop a comment saying yes Fibonacci. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Paisa again. Because remember, today's knowledge is tomorrow's wealth.